The drone community has been vibrating with anticipation for months, fueled by whispers, leaks, and educated guesses. Now, a definitive signal seems to have pierced the static. Multiple sources are converging on August 7th, 2025, as the official unveiling date for the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This represents a significant shift from earlier industry speculation, pointing towards a September release, aligning more closely with the Mini 4 Pro's 2023 launch. If this date holds true, we stand a mere 7 weeks away from finally meeting DJI's next-generation ultralight flagship. While launch dates generate headlines, the substance lies in the features. The DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't expected to be a mere incremental update. Leaks strongly suggest it will push the boundaries of what's possible under the critical 250-gram threshold. This weight class remains paramount, particularly in regions like the UK, EU, and USA, where drones exceeding 250 grams face significantly more stringent regulations regarding registration, flight zones, and operator certification. Maintaining this sub-250-gram status while enhancing capabilities is DJI's core challenge and triumph with the Mini Pro line. Recently, credible visual evidence has played a crucial role in validating rumors. A fortuitous encounter documented by a Chinese mountain biker appears to have captured the production-ready DJI Mini 5 Pro in a real-world test flight, crucially without prototype stickers. While image quality was imperfect, it provided undeniable clarity on several fronts. Most notably, it definitively dispelled earlier, alarming leaks showing a bulky propeller cage and one-piece propellers. The final design showcases the familiar, elegant, foldable propeller arms DJI users cherish, confirming that practicality and portability remain central. The image also clearly displayed the redesigned front end, featuring distinct cutouts widely believed to house the much-discussed LiDAR sensors. The integration of LiDAR technology represents perhaps the most significant potential leap for the Mini 5 Pro. While higher-end DJI models like the Air 3S and Mavic 4 Pro have begun incorporating LiDAR, bringing it down to the ultralight category is a major development. LiDAR operates by emitting laser pulses to create precise, real-time 3D maps of the environment. For a drone, this translates to vastly superior obstacle avoidance, particularly in challenging conditions where traditional vision sensors struggle. Low light, overcast skies, or environments with low visual contrast. If implemented effectively alongside DJI's existing Vision Assist system, the Mini 5 Pro could achieve unprecedented levels of spatial awareness, potentially offering true 360-degree obstacle sensing, including lateral coverage, a notable limitation on previous Mini models. This enhanced safety net would empower pilots with greater confidence, especially when flying autonomously or in complex environments, and significantly reduce the risk of costly crashes. LiDAR also holds promise for more accurate terrain following and potentially more sophisticated mapping capabilities, opening new creative and professional avenues. Complementing the advanced sensing suite, the leaked images consistently highlight vented motors on the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This design isn't merely cosmetic. Vented motors allow for improved airflow and cooling during operation. The anticipated benefits are threefold: increased maximum airspeed for quicker repositioning, enhanced wind resistance allowing flights in slightly tougher conditions than before, and crucially, potentially improved power efficiency. More efficient motors can contribute directly to longer flight times. Speaking of flight times, FCC certification documents strongly hint at a significantly larger battery for the Mini 5 Pro compared to its predecessor. While the Mini 4 Pro offered a respectable 34 minutes, the Mini 5 Pro is widely expected to push towards the 40-minute mark per charge. This substantial increase would be a major quality-of-life improvement, allowing for longer shooting sessions, covering more ground on a single battery, and reducing the frequency of battery swaps. Enhanced battery management systems are also anticipated to optimize performance and longevity. Camera performance is always central to any drone release. The Mini 4 Pro impressed with its 1/1.3-inch sensor and 48 megapixel capabilities. However, the persistent and exciting rumor surrounding the Mini 5 Pro points towards an even larger 1-inch camera sensor. This upgrade would represent a significant leap in potential image quality. A larger sensor captures more light, leading to substantial improvements in low-light performance, dynamic range, and overall image clarity with potentially less noise. While the exact video specifications remain unconfirmed, the sensor upgrade naturally fuels speculation about higher resolutions and frame rates. The logical progression would be support for 6K video recording, offering creators even more resolution for cropping, stabilization in post-production, and ultra-detailed footage. Other rumored imaging enhancements include a dedicated portrait vertical shooting mode, catering directly to the booming social media content creation market, and further refinements to the gimbal stabilization system to ensure buttery smooth footage even in challenging flight scenarios. While the core foldable design language remains familiar, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to incorporate subtle but meaningful refinements. Rumors suggest a sleeker aerodynamic profile to complement the vented motors, potentially contributing to both speed and efficiency. Improved materials might enhance durability without adding weight. There's also chatter about potential new color options beyond the standard gray. Connectivity is another area likely to receive attention. The Mini 4 Pro featured robust OcuSync 4 technology, offering impressive range and reliability. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to build upon this foundation, potentially featuring an upgraded OcuSync system, offering even greater range and enhanced signal stability, particularly beneficial in urban environments or areas with significant radio interference. This ensures a more reliable and confident piloting experience, especially when pushing the boundaries of the drone's operational distance. Positioning a product packed with such rumored advancements while keeping it under 250 grams is an engineering feat, and it comes at a cost. Industry analysts and leaks consistently point towards a price range between $700 and $800 for the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This positions it as a premium offering within the ultralight segment, reflecting the significant technological upgrades anticipated. This pricing strategy makes sense. It positions the Mini 5 Pro as a clear step up from the DJI Mini 4 Pro and any remaining Mini 3 stock, justifying the premium with tangible advancements like LiDAR, a potentially larger sensor, longer flight time, and enhanced motors. It remains accessible enough to attract serious hobbyists and semi-professionals seeking top-tier performance without venturing into the higher weight classes and price points of models like the Air or Mavic series. Early bird promotions or bundle deals often accompany DJI launches, potentially adding further value for initial adopters. The scheduled August 7th announcement date, if confirmed, marks the beginning of the end for the rumor mill and the start of concrete information. Based on the compelling leaks and consistent reporting from trusted sources, the DJI Mini 5 Pro appears poised to be a landmark release. It promises not just incremental improvements, but substantial leaps in core capabilities. Intelligent navigation via LiDAR, potentially superior image quality from a larger sensor, stronger and more efficient flight performance with vented motors and longer battery life, all meticulously packaged within the crucial sub-250-gram framework. So, are you excited for this upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro? Share with us in the comments.